Hello everyone. Are you wondering what lurking means? Let's explore. Lurking refers to the act of observing or following online content without actively participating. This behavior is common on social media platforms, forums, and other online communities where people prefer to watch conversations or read posts without engaging. Lurkers might not comment, like, or share, but they still consume the content and stay informed. Lurking allows people to stay connected and updated without drawing attention to themselves. It's a passive way of being involved in online communities, often used by those who want to avoid the pressure or commitment of active participation. In short, lurking is about being a silent observer in the digital world. Please like the video and leave a comment to support my job. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.